New Hampshire man accused of killing and then dismembering his wife in October of 2021 back in court today.
We haven't seen Joseph Ferlazzo since he last appeared back in May. NBC5's Stephen Biddix is live at the courthouse in downtown Burlington with what happened there today. Stephen.
Yes, Brian and Alice, in this morning's motion hearing, permission was granted for a ballistics expert to test the weapons that were seized by law enforcement at Ferlazzo's camper at the time of his arrest.
Back in October of 2021, Joseph Ferlazzo and his wife Emily Jean were on their way to Bolton to celebrate their wedding anniversary. Court papers say that on the night of October 15th, the couple got into a physical altercation that allegedly led to Ferlazzo shooting her twice in the head inside of their camper. The next day, investigators say Ferlazzo drove the camper to a friend's property in St. Albans, where he proceeded to dismember his wife's body with a handsaw. A missing persons search was conducted upon his return home to New Hampshire without Jean. Now, during the search, police say they received a call from Ferlazzo's friend who said Ferlazzo admitted to him that he did kill his wife, Emily Jean. When arraigned, Ferlazzo pled not guilty to a charge of first-degree murder, even though investigators say he had already told them that he had killed his wife. During his most recent court appearance, his lawyers asking to test if the firearms found in the camper actually work.
Physically manipulate the weapons, test fire the weapons, and I think that's probably all that will be done.
The state agreed with a deadline of September 30th.
Our proposal would be that any of the firearms that were seized from the camper, which is where the homicide occurred, we would be okay with the test firing them.
Ballistic expert Mark Preston will be responsible for conducting the tests.
Any weapon that's in question and identified by your staff, that he and I will go to the range. I will test each weapon physically with ammunition that's compatible to what is documented to have been on the scene.
And now there is not yet another scheduled appearance for Ferlazzo, but with the September 30th deadline for those tests, it is likely that we will see him once again before the end of this year. Live in Burlington, Stephen Biddix, NBC5 News.